a candy cane. C is for cat, cooking cupcakes with care. D is for dog in a dancing van. E is for elephant, painting the sky. F is for fox in a flying kite. G is for giraffe with glasses and a book. H is for hippo in a hula skirt. I is for iguana, ice skating fast. J is for jaguar, juggling jam jars. K is for koala, flying a kite. L is for lion, wearing a crown. M is for monkey, bouncing on the bed. N is for narwhal with a sparkly tail. O is for owl, reading in a tree. P is for penguin playing the piano. Q is for quokka with a question sign. R is for rabbit, racing on a bike. S is for snake in sparkly shoes. T is for tiger with the tall top hat. U is for